Qualifying fixtures this summer as Percy Tau sends the ball in. There's a great chance and from Emmanuel Bonaventura in the centre. And Percy Tau. Well, initially it seemed as if the goal was going to be. Bruges have a sensational lead at the Bernabeu after all, as Tau played it across. Of course, is always checked by VAR.
Một cú xoạc bóng rất mạnh và đã cướp được bóng. Một pha xoạc bóng của Nando.